Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, now we will discuss the chemistry of the organometallic compounds. What are the organometallic compounds? Basically, the organic compounds, whenever combined with the metals, they will form the organometallic compound like RMgX, and this RMgX is called the Grignard reagent. You know, R is the alkyl radical, Mg is a metal, whereas X is the halide. So such compound which have the alkyl radicals along with the metal, they are called the organometallic compound. How to prepare the Grignard reagent, that is RMgX? In this case, for example, the alkyl halide Rx react with magnesium in the presence of ether as a solvent to form the RMgX. Since magnesium is highly electropositive, so it will attack on this halide to make the ionic bond toward this side, whereas this is equivalent, because in this case alkyl radical, for example the methyl, so magnesium combined with carbon by the sharing of electron to form the covalent bond, whereas on this side this is the ionic bond. So you can say that this bond is stronger than this bond. So for example, Ca3 Ca2Cl plus Mg ether, you will get the Ca3 Ca2MgCl. This is known as the ethyl magnesium chloride. This is the Grignard reagent. It may be chloropropane. For example, you can see Ca3 CH, Br, Mg. So Mg attack on this second carbon, not on the first. So it will give you the CH3 CH, CH3 Mg and Br. This is the isopropyl magnesium bromide. Isopropyl magnesium bromide. So you can see that is magnesium will attack on that carbon which contain the halide. Now how to explain the chemical properties of the Grignard reagent? It is very important. So in this case, the reaction with alkyl halide, that is Rx, you can see in this case CH3CH2Br. Br is electronegative in nature, so minus partial charge. This is the partial positive charge, whereas in this case magnesium is more electropositive, so we will have the partial positive charge, and on methyl we have the partial negative charge. You can see this methyl group attack on this CH2 to form the propane, and this magnesium will attack on this Br to form the MgBr2. So in this case, the higher alkane is obtained by the reaction of Grignard reagent. So the propane is obtained by the reaction of this bromoethane. The next reaction is the hydrolysis, that is reaction with water. So in this case CH3CH2 MgBr, Mg will attain partial positive, CH2 will attain minus partial. So H positive, OH minus. This OH will attack on this magnesium to form the MgBrOH, whereas hydrogen will attack on this Ca2 to form the ethane. So the corresponding alkane is obtained. For example, if we have ethyl magnesium bromide, we will get the ethane. If it is propyl magnesium bromide, we will get the propane. So in the next step, that is ammonolysis, reaction with ammonia. CH3CH2MgBr, partial positive, partial negative. This is H plus, NH2 minus. This NH2 will attack on this magnesium, whereas H will attack on this CH2 to form the ethane. So MgBr, NH2, so corresponding alkane is obtained. Now the next one. In this case, the reaction with the CO containing compound. In this case, this is known as a carbonyl containing compound. This CO is called the carbonyl. If you will see the carbonyl compound, it means that the reaction should take place in the presence of acid and water. So this is called the acid hydrolysis. That is H2O and HCl or H2SO4 can be used. So we can say that For example, the reaction with methanol, HCOH, this is the aldehyde group. You know, this is the IUPAC name. You have already studied the nomenclature of aldehyde. In this case, you can see CH3, Ci2MgBr, this is HCOH, this is a partial negative, partial positive. Mg is partial positive, so it will attack on this oxygen, whereas this CH2 will attack on this carbon. So we will get the intermediate HCH, this one, CH2CH3, this one, and MgBr from this side. In the second step, on acid hydrolysis, the water and HCl dilute is used. So this H plus will attack on this oxygen negative and MgBr attack on this OH to form the OH MgBr. And this is the CH3, CH2, CH2 and OH. You can see this is called the 1-propanol. This is actually the primary alcohol. So you can see if the methanol is used, the final product is 1-propanol. So acid hydrolysis is essential. If we react, the ketone, that is RCOR, is known as a ketone. For example, CH3COCH3, it is known as a propanone. Propanone, partial negative oxygen, partial positive this carbon. So this is the partial negative CH2 and Mg partial positive. This magnesium will attack on this oxygen and whereas CH2 on this carbon to form the CH3, CH2, C, CH3, and this is OMgBr. This is the first step. In the second step, the acid hydrolysis, that is HOH, the same CH3, CH3, OMgBr. This is the partial negative, partial positive, partial positive, partial negative. This OH will attack on this magnesium, whereas hydrogen will attack on this O. So you will get the OH MgBr plus CH3, CH3, OH, CH2, CH3. So according to the nomenclature of alcohol, you know, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the 2-methyl, 2-butanol. This is the secondary alcohol. Why? This is the tertiary alcohol. Why? Because we have the 2 alkyl radical. One is methyl, second methyl, and this is the ethyl. So this is called the tertiary alcohol. So if we react ketone with the Grignard, we will get the tertiary alcohol. Now the reaction with ethanol, CH3, COH is called the ethanol. So in this case, CH3, this is partial negative, this is partial positive. This is the partial negative, this is the partial positive. Now this oxygen attack on this magnesium and CH2 on this carbon. So we will get the CH3, CH, OMgBr, CH2, CH3. This is the first step. And on hydrolysis, reaction with water in the HCl, this OH will attack on this Mg plus and hydrogen on this oxygen to form the MgOHBr, CH3, CH, CH2 and CH3. In this case, you can see basically we have the 2 alkyl radicals. So this is called the secondary. So IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Since the OH come on the second position, so it is called the 2-butanol. And this is called the secondary alcohol. Now, the reaction with carbon dioxide, CO2. In this case, CH3, CH2, MgBr, partial negative. This is partial positive. Now, this is partial negative, partial positive. CH2 will attack on this carbon and oxygen on this Mg. So, in the first step, we will get the O double bond C, OMgBr, CH2, CH3. Now, we can say on acid hydrolysis, HOH, this is partial positive, partial negative. This is a partial negative, this is a partial positive. In the presence of HCl, this H will attack on this oxygen and OH with the Mg to form the OH MgBr plus CO, OH, Ca2, Ca3. So according to the IUPAC name, this is called the propanoic acid. So you can see basically the carbonyl containing compound always follow the acid hydrolysis. So you should keep this point in your mind So acid hydrolysis is essential. Now, the reaction with ester RCOOR. So in this case, for example, you know, the RCOOR is called the ester. CH3C, this is partial negative, this is partial positive. Now this magnesium attack on this oxygen and CH2 on this carbon. So we will get the product, that is CH3 COCH2C5 OMgBr CH2 CH3. Now in the second step, that is bond breaking and bond making take place. So in this case, this will donate the electron toward this side and OC2H5 will break. So in this case, we will get the OC2H5 MgBr. OC2H5 MgBr. They will combine in this case to form the OC2H5 MgBr along with the CH3, CO, CH2 and CH3. So you can see this is the 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is 2-butanol. Now reaction with Grignard reagent again. Now reaction with Grignard reagent. CH3CO CH2 CH3. Now it will react with CH3 CH2 MgBr. This is a partial negative, this is a partial positive. So CH3 CH2 MgBr minus, this is the plus. So it will attack CH2 on this carbon and Mg on the oxygen. We will get the CH3 C OMgBr CH2 CH3 and this is the CH2 and CH3. Basically this is same reaction as we have already discussed above. So in this third step, that is fourth step, now on acid hydrolysis, H, and this is partial negative, this is partial positive, partial negative and partial positive. This H will attack on this oxygen and Mg on this OH in the present acid to form the OH MgBr, and the next one CH3 C CH2 CH2 CH3 and this one is the OH. This is the final product of the ester. You can see in this case, this is the tertiary 1, 2 and 3 alkyl radical. So in this case, if you want to write the name, this is the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is the methyl group on the third position. So 3-methyl 3-pentanol is the final product of this reaction. Now reaction with alcohol, it is very simple. CH3 CH2OH, CH3 MgBr minus partial, this is the partial negative. So we can say that CH3 combined with this H plus to form the methane and CH3 CH2O MgBr. So this is called the ethoxy magnesium bromide. This is all about organometallic compound, that is Grignard reagent, chemical properties as well as the preparation. Allah Hafiz.